All right. All right. So now, after looking at various string operations, where we have seen how to use lowercase and uppercase, and also split functions. Now we are going to see few more functions on the string where it is going to help us a lot. All right. So first, let's understand how we can use plus operator on the strings. So suppose we have one string, that is, this is first string. If we want to concatenate, or if we want to kind of add it with the another string, then we have defined two different strings, string A and string B. And if we simply write A plus B, so A plus B normally operates on numeric operators, but here on a string operator also in Python it works, where if we mention A plus B, then automatically it is going to add this with this string. So if you print A plus B, then automatically string A will be associated with string B. All right. So that is about A plus B. Now next thing is format function. So format function is very important in a string. Many a time it happens, like if you have a continuous string available, and in that string at some particular point of time, or maybe in the middle of a string, you have to insert a variable. So if you have to insert a variable at a middle of a string or some other part of the string, then you can utilize format function. How it works is, let's say you have age as a variable, and now you want to write, hi there, this is Vijay and my age is 40 years. Okay, so if you want to write my age is 40 years, then that there are two ways. One is using A plus B, and for A plus B what you have to do, you have to use this sign plus sign, then you have to end the string, then you have to write whatever be the age you want to mention, and then finally you have to kind of again garnish it with the ending code like this. So that will be little lengthy task whenever you are going to work with longer strings, and that is going to take a lot of time. Also, whenever you are going to have multiple variables, then that will be really a tedious task to do, right? So here, okay, you have to mention it as a string as well. So that will be again a problem, right? So you have to mention it as a string, and then you will be kind of getting whatever you want to add. So this is a very lengthy task, tedious task, and at the same time, as you seen in the error, if we use it as an integer, then that integer will not work, because it's an integer type. So integer type is not supported in conjunction with the strings. So to avoid all these problems, to overcome all these problems, we have this format function. In the format function, what we are going to do is just we have to utilize format things here. So just you have to mention two braces like this, and that's all. So just utilize this function, it will help you. And here you can see this 40 is automatically appended in the string, right? So this is about format function. The next function, next demonstration is on extension of our format function. As I said, that if in a string, if you have a lot of variables available to put in, so we can utilize format function. Whatever be the type of variable, be it character type or be it numeric type, they will be handled by this format function, where we are writing my name is Ram and I am 23 years of age and I work with XYZ Corporation. So if you want to write it in the string with some variables in it, so you can define it in the format function with the sequence of variables. So when you are going to run it, it is going to automatically take my name is Ram, which is a variable. I am 23 is the age, and I work for XYZ Corporation. XYZ Corporation is the company name, right? So this is about format function. It is a very important function and very widely used in the industry for different purposes. Now next one is casefold and find function. Now what is casefold function? So casefold function is something which again converts the entire string in lower cases. So it's a kind of replacement of lower function as well, you can say. And find function is something which gives you the position of a specific string which starts. Like this is first string. In this, if you want to find out, if you want to get the string things, what is the index of string, then you can use find function. Okay, so when you are going to run it, first case fold is going to convert everything in the lower string, and at the same time if you want to find out the index of string word, then string word occurs at the 14th index. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and such 14th index it will be there. Sorry, it will start with 0, so 0 to 14th string index, it is going to start this string, right? If you want to repeat it, you can see again the effect. Just you have to print it again, and let's search is. So you can see is starting at second word, so 0th 0 1 and then second, starting from second word, so from second word it is starting, right? So second word is there, so that is being printed. All right, so that was about string operations. Now we will see some more operations in upcoming discussions. Thank you.